Hello, kiddos. Welcome to the ABC Learning World. Today, we will learn all the letters from A to Z and we will see colorful pictures too. Are you ready, kiddos? Let's start. The first letter is A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Can you say with me? A for apple. Next, B. B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Next, C. C for car. C for car. Say with me. C for car. D. D. D for dog. D for dog. Say with me. D for dog. Next, E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F. F for fan. F for fan. Can you say with me? F for fan. G. G. G for good. G for good. Say with me. G for good. Next, H. H. H for hen. H for hen. Repeat it. H for hen. I. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream served sweet and tasty. I for ice cream. Next, J. J. J for jelly. J for jelly. Do you love jelly? Yes, me too. Okay, good job. Next, K. K. K for kite. K for kite. Say with me. K for kite. L. L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Can you say? Once again, M for monkey. Next, N. N. M for nest. N for nest. Say it. N for nest. O. O. O for owl. O for owl. O for owl. Say it once again. O for owl. B. B. B for penguin. B for penguin. B for penguin. Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Say it. Q for queen. R. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat grass. Rabbit. Rabbit. Say it. R for rabbit. S. S. S for sun. S for sun. Say it. S for sun. T. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Can you say it with me? T for tomato. Next, U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Can you say it once again? U for umbrella. Good job, kiddos. Are you loving this video? If yes, give a like and subscribe for my effort. Okay, so next, move towards V. V for van. V for van. P for what is Z for? Van. Good job. Next, W for wolf. W for wolf. Can you say it with me? W for wolf. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Next, Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Good job. Next, the last one. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Good job, kiddos. So,